Welcome back to base camp, WNC. Well, we're here in the volunteer state of Tennessee. And of course the owner right here don't want to be on camera. So Mr. Jeremy and I are going to talk back and forth. This is his off-grid cabin build. And you'll have to contact me because the county here doesn't have building codes. So if you want to know where it is, you're going to have to get a hold of me to find out. I'm not going to give his name and address. He'll get bombarded with everybody. So tell us about it. How many square foot is this, Jewel?
We've got, it's 30 by 20, so the footprint's 600 square feet. And then we've got another 250 square feet upstairs in the loft. And we also did a 300 square foot basement on the back half of the house as well.
The whole place is off-grid. And right over here is the solar array. It's 4,800 watt. A little gray and cloudy today to be gaining a whole lot. But we'll sneak in there and open the door up. They just got done put the first coat of finish on the floors. But it's off-grid, 100% electric, correct?
Correct.
Right here on the side, heated and air conditioned with a Mitsubishi mini split. We'll go down in the basement. I'll show you the solar setup on it, but it's electric cooktop.
Yes.
And it's a on-demand electric hot water heater, so there's no propane. He's be pretty much independent. Let's sneak around the back and we'll go inside and look at the solar setup. Well, he's got a solar.
That is a 12 kW, okay.
It's a 12 kW unit, but we got 4.8 kW of batteries. Got a 48 volt system, 4,800 watts of input. It is a split phase 220. Not a whole lot to say about it. They are name brand. It's the big thing right now. But then over here, we'll go over here and show you the on-demand hot water heater. So right here's the electric on-demand hot water heater. There is no propane in the house here for cooking or hot water. Everything is electric. Of course, there is a generator for backup. And this is the water system. And I got to shoot the rest of the video for the water system on it. But Jeremy, you started building your house in April?
Started in April, clearing the trees for the land, yes.
So starting in April, and here it is the 1st of February, or almost there. And really getting close to being done. Back view of the house. He's got plenty of glass. Like I said, I'm going to go in there and try to open the door and take some pictures of the inside. Everything in there he did himself. Like I said, he started in April clearing the land. Septic tank. It does have a septic tank. This is the one with the spring water job we've been doing. Let's see if we can sneak up to the door. Well, here it is inside. And as you can tell, this is the first coat of polyurethane on the floors. But he has plenty of windows. And he owns everything you can see. This is all his place. Staircase going up. Loft up here. Like I said, he got 250 square foot of loft. Actually, it's a bathroom up there and storage right here. Let me sneak over to this door. I can kind of show you his kitchen. Well, right here it is, looking through the glass. He cut all them tree slabs, made all the countertops himself. Same in the shelves, bathroom. Everything is his handiwork. Let me go over the other door and see if I can get a different view of it. Well, this door is locked, but right there you can see his kitchen. Have a fridge in there, shelves on the top. And all this is his nice handiwork. Piles of sanding. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but he's got a laundry room over on this side. But there's his view. He got plenty of glass, plenty of solar heating coming out of that jewel. Like I said, right here's the bathroom and storage. I wish I had gotten here before the man put the polyurethane on the floor. But, well, let me just take a minute right here and tell you that yes, this is in a county that has no building code. Now, in the town limits, I believe there's building codes, but when you get out of the town limits, you don't have any. Don't think for a minute that this cabin right here is anything but to building code and in excess of it. Jeremy has been around construction for a good while. He's made a lot of furniture. If you actually saw the handcraft work in the countertops and the bathroom vanities and the work that's inside of it, I'd really like to come back over and maybe when the boss lady's there and it's decorated, shoot another video of just what it all does look like and the amount of work and pride that's in this thing. Hardy plank siding on the outside, and I believe that's kind of like for upkeep, maintenance, make life a lot easier. I believe he made the comment that between the deck on the loft, the front porch, the back patio, the deck on the side, there's as much outdoor living space as there is indoor living space. And that's when you buy a piece of property like this and you go to all this trouble and you're off grid, you end up wanting to stay outside as much or more than you want to be inside. They're working on organic gardening, trying to figure out what else to do with the property. He wants to build, like I said, a cabin. He's always wanted to build a cabin from scratch, and I'd love to come over and be part of it. I think it'd be great. But if it's in you, go ahead and try for it. Yes, I mean, the electrical work and everything was done by licensed electricians, and he didn't do 100% of it, but I mean, he brought the trades in where he needed to. Like I said, it is, yes, he did 75% of the work himself, and it's some fantastic work. So I'll leave it at that, and I'm going to sign off. If you want to make an offer for it, he might entertain an offer. But the big question I always have, would you do it again?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, there he is. Because he's going to end up building a log cabin over here on the property, so I got a feeling I have to come back and harass him one day. And
I hope so.
Help him run the sawmill and drag some trees. But it is doable. It just takes some time. Thank you for watching. See you later.